If you want a small electric SUV with some luxury, then this Cadillac OPTIQ might be for you. Inside, you get this curved 33-inch 9K display with built-in Wi-Fi, but no Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You get a storage shelf over here, more down here, a phone stand over here, or a wireless charger down here. Up top is a digital rear view mirror, a massive panoramic glass roof with these heated and ventilated leather seats, a heated leather wrapped steering wheel with a heads-up display, these beautiful AKG speaker grills that are built into the door. But let's talk numbers. It gets 300 miles on a full charge, makes 288 horsepower and 333 pound-feet of torque. The design gets this light-up front grille with these vertical LED headlights which do a really cool animation. With these 21-inch wheels, this design on the rear glass panel, and if I press the Cadillac logo, it opens up the trunk where you get solid storage space and even more storage underneath, or you can slide the entire load floor and lower it for overall more storage space. Cadillac also gave this Super Cruise for hands-free driving and ambient lighting that you can customize to whatever color you want. But even though it's a small SUV, you get tons of room for your legs. These seats are also heated with dedicated AC vents, USB-C ports, and a wall outlet. The base price is $54,000, so